Hello, in this Zimmwriter review, we're going to talk about how to use Zimmwriter AI content tool to create content anywhere that you need text content. And I mean literally anywhere that you need to have text content, you can use the Zimmwriter Magic tool creator. I'm also going to show you that in just a second. First, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm just trying to grow my channel and provide helpful information. So what is Zimmwriter? Well, Zimmwriter is a AI tool that it utilizes the OpenAI API key to generate AI text content. And it's actually very powerful. It has many different ways that you can use it. And the really cool thing about it is it's a much, much cheaper tool to use than some of the big name writers that are out there, because you pay for Zimmwriter, which is at a very low cost, and I'll put links in the description box below so you can see the pricing options, but it's actually very low cost. And then you only pay for what you use from OpenAI on a per use, right? So like when I do the SEO blog writer, it'll give me a blog that comes back usually in the range of 2,000 to 3,000 words, and I might pay 10 cents for that blog. So you get a ton of content at a really, really low cost. But today, in this video, what we're focusing on is their magic command trigger, which is set up as Control 1. So I'm going to show you how you can use this magic command trigger to create text content anywhere that you need content. So let me pull this up. So where can you use the magic command trigger? Basically anywhere, anywhere that you need text content. So that could be an email message. I'm going to show you how to do that. A lot of times when I upload my videos, my YouTube videos, you need to fill out the description box. I use it for that. If you have a Word document, that could be Microsoft Word, Google Docs, doesn't matter. Any kind of text editor like a notepad, like we're in right now. Inside a WordPress blog post, you can use it. And so really anywhere that text content is needed, you can use this magic command trigger, right? So while we're here in this text document, let me go ahead and show you how it would work here. And just a reminder, let me pull it back up. So as long as you have this open in the background, as long as you have Zimmwriter open and it's running in the background, then you can use it, okay? And again, we're just focusing on the magic command trigger in this video, and that is started by pressing Control and 1 together. So let's say maybe here you want to maybe say write an outline about how to paint your house. Okay, so basically all you have to do is highlight your prompt. So this is the prompt. We want Zimmwriter to write an outline about how to paint your house. Now I'm going to, on my keyboard, press Control and 1, and now you see Zimmwriter starting to work, and it's going to, again, go through the API for OpenAI, and here you go. It put that outline right here, okay? And so you can see you can read through it. I'm not going to go through it in detail, but you can pause the video, read through it, and you can see it's really good content. Now, just for the sake of this video, you can also use the continue writing trigger, which is Control 2. So let's say you want to have it write more about move furniture and cover items that cannot be moved. So you can hit the magic command trigger and it'll write about that. So let's go Control 1 again. And here you go. So move furniture away from walls, okay. And now maybe you want more. So you want it to continue writing. So I'm going to hit Control 2 and it's going to write more. Okay, so we had 4, now it's got 5. It added a 5th one. And so that is how easily and quickly you can use both the magic command trigger and the continue writing trigger to generate content. Now I just had it create an outline, but you can really have it do anything. Let's say we're here in, I want to send an email. Maybe I want to send an email out to my list. I'm in my Gmail right now, but you could do this in your autoresponder. Whether you're using Aweber or GetResponse or any autoresponder, it works the same way. So I want to write an email message about the 3 best ways to make money online. I'm going to hit Control 1, and Zimmwriter is going to start writing. And you can see how quickly it puts that content out. All right, so start a blog. Blogging is one of the most popular and effective ways to make money online. It's relatively easy to set up, requires very little capital to get started. Once you have your blog up and running, you can monetize it with affiliate. Okay, so now let's say I want to write more. So hit Control-2, and it's going to add more. Okay, so boom, there you go. Sorry, it added more down here. That's my mistake. But you can see how quickly and easily you can do that. I should have I screwed that up actually. Let me put the pause and then we'll come back and let me try it again. Okay, sorry, I messed that up. So if I forgot, you always want to highlight what you what you want to do, and then so here we're going to say Control-2. I want to write more about this, starting a blog. Okay, and so now it should add content about that. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, and so that's how quickly and easily Zimmwriter can work. And you can obviously go in and you can edit that, etc. if you want. Let's say you're in a Google Doc. This is just a text document inside of Google, and maybe what equipment is needed to wash a dog. So again, let's highlight that prompt, hit Control-1, get the magic command trigger started, and then boom, it puts a list together. Okay, and so now let's say again we want to highlight this, hit Control-2 because we want to write more, continue writing, and let's see what it gives us. Okay, good. Now, this is just kind of talking about shampoo and conditioner in general, not necessarily for a dog. But so again, sometimes you may have to change. But as you can see, it's super, super simple to use this magic command trigger to get some really nice content that you can either use as is if you're happy with it, or do some simple edits to make it more in your own voice, or to get it to say exactly what you want. And then you can use that continue writing trigger to continue writing. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And then if you're interested in Zimmwriter, I will leave links in the description box down below so you can go take a look at it, see the pricing, and definitely if you have any questions at all, send me a text. I do respond. That is a real text number. Or leave me a comment here below the video. Thanks so much for watching.